kids, it's me, Mr. Frost.
And I'm Penelope.
Hey Penelope, what do you have over there?
Penguin!
A penguin? Today we're gonna do something really fun. You know, I saw a video about an aquarium in Chicago where the aquarium is closed to visitors right now, so the zookeepers let the penguins go on a tour of their empty aquarium. It's really neat. Let's watch. That was really neat.
The penguins were so cute.
They were so cute. You know, watching that video made me think, where else would penguins like to take a field trip? And so today we're gonna make a picture of a place that penguins might take a field trip. In this one that I made, my penguin is going to the art museum. There's some paintings, but I want you to think of a neat idea, a creative idea of where you might want to take your penguins on a field trip. Do you have an idea in your head? Me too, I have another one I want to make. The first thing we have to do is to make our penguin. Penelope, what materials are we going to need for this lesson?
We're gonna need a pencil, piece of paper, and some crayons.
That's right. I'm going to draw mine with Sharpie so that you can see it a little bit better. All right, let's get started. First, to draw our penguin, we're going to make a circle for his head. Right near the middle of our paper, let's draw a circle about the size of a bouncy ball. Then we're going to make his body like an egg shape or an oval, like this. We'll add his wings or flippers like this. Start here and go out and around and back. On the other side too. Out, around, and back. And we're going to make his little white tummy with another oval. And his little feet like this. We're going to come out and give him some little bumpy toes and then come back like that. Out, 3 little bumpy toes, and come back. Now let's draw his face. 2 little eyes, like this. And then we're gonna make his mouth like he has a frowny face, like this, watch. He looks sad, but we're not gonna leave it like that. We're gonna make a point at the bottom to turn that frown into a beak. There we go, that looks better. And then we're gonna draw 2 lines that start at the beak and curve up over the eyes to the head like that. There he is. Our cute little penguin is done. If you want to, you could even put more than one penguin in your picture. Now for the fun part. Now you have to think about, where is this penguin going on his fun field trip? I have an idea. I can't wait to see what your idea is. I can't wait to see what Penelope's idea is. All right, let's draw them. When you're all done drawing your picture, then you can color it. we're gonna use crayons today. And there you go. Here's my penguin. He is going to the amusement park. Where's your penguin going?
To the zoo.
To the zoo. That's really cute. Boys and girls, I can't wait to see where your penguins travel for their creative field trip. Remember, you can send a picture of your artwork to me through my email or through a text message, and I'll include your artwork in the video of student work that I post each week. I can't wait to see what you made. All right, see you kids next time. Bye.
Bye.